So welcome back to Accidentally Country. So after accumulating a lot of stuff living in the country, the garage, well, it's turned into a dumpster fire. So we're going to clean this up and build some shelves. Let's go. So 24 hours later, I'm having a cup of coffee in complete and perfect silence, and I hear the loudest crash in the garage. So I run in the garage and realize that the 2x4 that I put up on the wall with the hooks in it had come crashing down into my car, causing 2 large scratches and a dent. So, if you're keeping track at home, the project cost $100 and the car repair would be about $800. The worst part of it all is I had the car lined up for a buyer in the next 5 days. So that buyer should be receiving a generous discount on behalf of Accidentally Country. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.